Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I was thinking about just the option market in general lately, and I had something that I wanted to share with you. There's a lot of traders who they like to get in the market and trade options when the market is just kind of going up steadily. And there are definitely some advantages to that, as long as you take a long delta position and you just take overall long delta positions over and over again. I mean, it's going to work. And coupled with that, if implied volatility is elevated, then just selling puts or put spreads becomes a no-brainer, and it's really easy. But that's not always the case. And I would argue that for people who are good at option trading, who understand like what the best trade setup is for option trading, what criteria go into it, I think right now there's a chance that this might be the best market for option trading there is. Because here's what the criteria are. First, when we have directional uncertainty, when we get some oscillation like we've been having, whether that's, even if it's in a downtrend or in an uptrend, when we get these, we can play credit spreads on them, right? Once we get down to a low, we can sell put credit spreads. When we get up to a high, we can sell call credit spreads. You couple that with the fact that for the past 6 months, implied volatility has been over historical volatility in almost every stock out there. I mean, it is a great time to sell options when we pick our spots. And when we have a fairly controlled oscillation here, it can make for some really, really great option trading. And one of the things that contributes to that is the uncertainty with the Fed. A lot of people look at that like it's a bad thing, but it's not. It might not be as good for long-term investing, but frankly, in the long term, it's going to work itself out anyway. But for the short term, it just presents a lot of great opportunities. This is Dan Passarelli. I hope that helps. Trade smart.